So someone asks, how is this legal in the state of Connecticut? So this is actually a fixed mag pistol. That means that this magazine cannot come out. I cannot use this at all to eject the magazine. So what I have to do for this particular firearm is, you see, I have to load rounds on the top. It's pretty much like an SKS. I am going to show some footage of me shooting it, so it's not really that big of a deal to me. I mean, I'm a gun enthusiast. I like to collect cool stuff, and I don't really mind about the fixed mag stuff because I already have other things as well.